Distinctive development across the blockchain field has rapidly acquired the consideration of the standard with a plenty of advantages. Interestingly, their consideration is simultaneously respected different bottlenecks and errors that are keeping it from tremendous reception. Universe had arisen to determine the most difficult issues existing in the blockchain business. Universe, Atom, cost in the new past, had blasted and amazed many, including many enormous hands. Record-breaking volumes were enlisted which were absent since beginning that mobilized the cost to new highs. Do you wish to hold Atom, or holding some as of now? Pondering the possibilities of the advanced resource. Look no further as this compassing will get your inquiries arranged. As we have decoded the conceivable Atom cost expectation for 2022 and then some. Molecule price prediction for 2022. Universe had made its entrance to 2022, proceeding with its upswing from the earlier year. The cost of Atom toward the start of the year was recorded at $32.521, which heightened energetically to $44.677 throughout the week. After a pullback, Atom's cost represented an upturn once more, recovering its $44.582 mark. The spike was fleeting, as the downtrend took the cost to $31.78 by the 22nd of January. While the cost represented a fast bounce back to $37.174 by the 24th of January. The cost took one more downswing to $25.77 by the 31st of January. The altcoin had assembled steam towards the $33.281 mark by the 7th of February. Yet, unrest in the business pushed the cost to $23.215 by the 22nd of February. From there on, the computerized resource displayed a 49.7% convention to $34.895 on the 4th of March. Post which a downswing, trailed by an advantage, shut the quarter's exchange at $30.147. The subsequent quarter was savage for Cosmos, as it was for most of digital currencies in the business. News around the bankruptcy of realized brands called for alarm liquidations, which prompted Cosmos losing more than 81% of its worth. Universe price prediction for Q3. The Cosmos network is supposed to deliver several updates, for example, the Rho redesign and the V9 Lambda overhaul. While the Rho update would empower meta transactions, Tendermint v0.35, fluid marking, and so forth, the Lambda overhaul would get interchain security among different elements. The updates would be basic in the impetus of the cost of Atom. Wherefore, the Atom cost could flood to a limit of $13.590. Alternately, the redesigns neglecting to emerge, as per the assumptions, could strike down the cost to $9.588. All things considered, a straight energy could settle the cost at $11.422. Particle price forecast for Q4. With an ascent in sure-friendly opinions towards the year's end, conveyed forward by developing volumes. Also, the rollout of the Epsilon redesign would turn basic in the impetus of the cost, which could take off to its possible high of $17.592. Then again, negative analysis and the potential downtrend could bring the value down to $12.34. Calculating in the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could land at $15.222. Universe's price forecast for 2023. The Cosmos organization could spread its wings to a more extensive user base, gave the updates emerge according to the assumptions. With the rollout of V11 Gamma, NFT modules, and Shrewd agreements, among others. The cost of Atom could revitalize to $29.0559 toward the finish of 2023. On the other side, in the event that we see tweaks in administrative standards, the computerized resource could spectate a spike in liquidations, bringing about a sticker price of $15.660 close to the furthest limit of the year. Progressively, a harmony in trading tensions could land the cost at $23.104. Molecule price prediction for 2024. Assuming the group behind Cosmos fortified the organization with goals and advancements, and the local area with get-togethers. the cost of the altcoin could drive to its likely high of $44.695 continuously's end. On the other hand, neglecting to stand tall to its responsibilities, the cost of Atom could downturn to the lows of $24.037. Obliged by a consistent valuable energy, the cost could remain at $33.143. Universe price prediction for 2025. Throughout the following 3 years, the formative drives will assist with flourishing adaptability and exchange speeds, which will thusly push the user base of the organization. Wherefore, toward the finish of 2025, the cost could ascend to $68.510. Conversely, the organization missing out on steam, in the midst of rising opponents, and disinterest could drag the value down to $37.009. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could land at $53.064. What is Cosmos, Atom? The Cosmos network is proclaimed as an web of blockchains, which expects to construct a matrix of crypto networks crossed over by open-source devices for smoothing out exchanges between them. The focal point of the stage is to accomplish adaptability and interoperability. Further, the biological system has its own local cache called Atom. Be that as it may, the Cosmos organization, a proof-of-stake blockchain, is enabled by its local symbolic Atom. The fundamental rationale is to sustain a foundation of organizations that could share tokens and information algorithmically, with no focal party mediating in the movement. Principal analysis. Universe is one such task that means to resolve the issues connected with confirmation of work, applied by many significant activities inside the blockchain business. The principal objective of the undertaking is to improve the blockchain framework with less intricacy. The venture was first illustrated back in 2014 by establishing Tendermint by Jae Kwon, Žarko Milosevic, and Ethan Buchman. Further, in 2016, the white paper was delivered and the local badge of the venture molecule was likewise sent off by Holding a Deal. Universe is one of the veteran ventures that has been existing for a seriously significant time frame. Also, subsequently the resource is accessible for exchange on numerous stages. Presently, it is exchanged on Binance, Bittrex, Kraken. Cosmos price prediction. The Atom cost might crush new achievements in the forthcoming days, as it plans to empower quick, secure, and versatile blockchain arrangements. Universe cost expectation. Assuming the organization dispatches overhauls to help marking and different highlights to help the merchants, the cost may effortlessly outperform the $17.5 mark this year. On the off chance that the organization neglects to execute its arrangement, the cost can flip into a negative snare and plunge to $12.4. Taking into account ordinary exchange pressure and taking into account the above factors, the typical cost toward the finish of 2022 would be around